Welcome to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for exploring the future of automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece of luxury, innovation, and sustainability, the 2025 Lexus LX700. This flagship SUV has redefined what it means to combine cutting-edge technology with unmatched luxury. Let's explore why the LX700 is setting new benchmarks in the automotive world. A bold redesign with timeless elegance. The 2025 Lexus LX700 is a visual statement. Its exterior strikes a balance between boldness and sophistication. The iconic spindle grille has been reimagined with intricate detailing, while the sleek LED headlights provide a sharp and futuristic edge. The streamlined bodywork and aerodynamic lines not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also improve efficiency. The 22-inch alloy wheels and adaptive air suspension system give the SUV a commanding presence. Whether you're cruising on city streets or tackling rugged terrain, the LX700's exterior is all about making a statement, refined luxury with an adventurous spirit. Under the hood, a hybrid marvel. At the heart of the LX700 FC is Lexus's most advanced hybrid system to date. The SUV is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6, paired with a powerful electric motor. Together, they deliver an impressive 450 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 569 horsepower for torque. But it's not just about raw power. The LX700 is built for efficiency. Thanks to the hybrid system, it offers exceptional fuel economy for its class, achieving an estimated 26 miles per gallon combined. Whether you're on a cross-country road trip or navigating through urban traffic, the LX700 provides seamless performance with a conscience. Luxury interior, crafted for comfort. Step inside and you'll experience the pinnacle of Lexus craftsmanship. The cabin of the LX700 is a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood trims, and aluminium accents create an atmosphere of sophistication. Ambient lighting lets you set the mood, whether it's a relaxing evening drive or an energetic start to your day. The 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, seamlessly integrating with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Mark Levinson surround sound system. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either, with individual screens and optional executive seating for ultimate comfort. Advanced technology for the modern driver. The 2025 LX700H takes tech to the next level. The Lexus Interface operating system is intuitive, offering natural voice recognition and cloud-based navigation. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying everything from real-time hybrid performance stats to advanced off-road data. Safety, of course, is paramount. The LX700H features the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and an enhanced pre-collision system. This SUV doesn't just prevent accidents, it actively works to prevent accidents. Versatility meets capability. While the LX700 shines as a luxury SUV, it's no slouch when it comes to capability. The vehicle comes equipped with full-time four-wheel drive, a Toursome limited-slip differential, and multiple terrain modes. Whether you're scaling rocky trails or traversing snowy landscapes, the LX700 adapts effortlessly to the challenge. The SUV also boasts a towing capacity of 8,000 pounds, making it perfect for hauling boats, trailers, or anything else your adventures require. And with its electric motor assist, torque delivery is instantaneous, ensuring that you'll have the power you need exactly when you need it. Sustainability without compromise. Lexus has proven that luxury and sustainability can coexist. By integrating hybrid technology into their flagship SUV, they're reducing emissions while maintaining the performance and refinement Lexus is known for. The LX700h is a step toward a greener future without sacrificing what makes it extraordinary. Final thoughts. The 2025 Lexus LX700X is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of intent. It represents the perfect marriage of luxury, innovation, and sustainability. From its breathtaking design to its powerful hybrid engine and unmatched comfort, the LX700 sets a new standard for what a flagship SUV can be. If you are looking for the ultimate blend of performance, luxury, and eco-consciousness, the Lexus LX700 is the answer. Thank you for watching Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Lexus LX700X, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the cars of tomorrow. Stay tuned because the future of driving is just getting started.